So now the question number 5. So they're talking about a line L. Okay, this line L has an, okay, let me take it to this side. So line L has an equation and it is passing through the origin and perpendicular to L1. Okay. First of all, okay, they're talking about origin. So first of all, let's do the L1. This is L1, which is x minus 2y plus 25 equals 0, which means in our normal word it's y equals, when we subject, we can subject 2y equals x plus 25, so y is half x plus 25 divided by 2. So this is our y1, L1. Another one is they're talking about origin and perpendicular to L1. This is L2 and this is also passing through the 0, 0. Okay, this is perpendicular. The line and L2 intersect at point P. Okay, they're talking about this is the point P. Use the algebra to find the, okay, this is B part. So let's do the equation for L2. Okay, since we know they are perpendicular, so given that L1 and L2 are perpendicular, so we know M1 times M2 equals -1. So another variant will be -1 divided by M2, so which is -1 divided by positive half. So which will be -2. So we have the gradient as -2 and we have a one single point as well, 0, 0, passing through L2, right? So since it's passing through the L2, we can use that also, which is we could say y minus 0 divided by x minus 0 is going to be -2. So here if we subtract it, it will be -2x. So this is our equation. You can either say it in this format and you also can say it in either format, but they didn't ask a format for now. So let's keep our L2 as y equals -2x. Okay. Now they're asking the coordinate of the intersection. Okay, point P is the coordinate intersection point. So that means literally both we can solve simultaneously. Let me go with the P part. P is on both the lines. So we can write, okay, let me get this into the next page so that we can do everything. Okay, point P is on both the lines. So we have first equation will be y equals -2x. Another one would be y equals, we had a, okay, not the shorter version, let's go with the normal version of x minus 2y plus 25 equals 0. Yes, we can substitute y from the first equation to the other one. It will be x minus 2 times -2x plus 25 equals 0. So here we will have, this will be positive 4x and a 5, so it's 5x equals 0. So x will be -25 divided by 5, which is -5. So the p coordinate is by 5. So we can say the y coordinate is -2 times -5, which is 10. So out of both of them, we can say the p coordinate is going to be -5, 10. Yeah, this is how we got the coordinate of that value. Pretty easy calculations. Then let's see the question number C. Hence find the shortest distance between L1 and the origin. Okay, this L1 and the origin. The shortest distance would be, since they are already perpendicular, we know the shortest distance would be this much. This is the shortest distance where we know the perpendicular point as well, which is -5 to +10. So, since they are the shortest distance, we can easily take the, if I mark the origin as O, this will be the OP distance. Okay, so we can write like, since P is that perpendicular point, we can see shortest distance is, because we know shortest distance coming when it is perpendicular, straight away OP, because we have marked OP in our diagram, so it's make it more clear. So which is, we have D, it will be root of, we know to get the distance, the theory is we need x1 minus x2 whole thing squared plus y1 minus y2 whole thing squared. So in this case, it would be -5 minus 0 squared plus 10 minus 0 squared, because point R is 0, 0. So this will give you, and we can straight away get the answer with the calculator, because it's -5 squared, which is 25, and this value, so answer is going to be 5 root 5. So this is the shortest distance. If you want, we can just write the word units as well, but not necessary for this one, since they don't give us any other information. Yeah, that's the fully answers of this thing, and they need a fully simplified surd. Yeah, that is what we have, because in this case it's gonna come as root 125. So if you just wonder how the 1 root 125 turns into this is 25 times 5. So then root 25 times root 5, which is 5 root 5. Yeah, I hope this is clear. Thank you.